Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Meghu Talks, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to log your Facebook profile. So let's start the video. So firstly go to your Facebook account and then tap that three lines which is in the top right. Now tap to help and support which is in the bottom, and then tap to the help center under that. So guys, you can see there are many optional questions regarding your Facebook. Leave them and search in the search box that how to log your Facebook account. Then just select the exact question and click it. Then read the sentences if you want, and then go to the bottom and tap your profile is logged in the bottom again. Lastly, tap to lock your profile in the bottom and now press OK. And see, it's all done. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and tell me how my video was in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Thank you so much.